An ordinary die is thrown once. Find the probability that the number obtained is A. Even, B. Prime, C. Even or prime. We take solution. For us to answer this question, first step, we are going to start by writing down the sample space for a die. The sample space is represented by making use of this Greek letter, omega. It is simply equal to a die has 6 faces carrying the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Next step, we are going to let E, capital E, to be the event of getting an even number. Looking at the sample space, we are going to write down all the even numbers. Remember, E is a subset of the sample space. We have 2, we have 4 and 6. And we are going to let P prime like this to stand for the event of prime numbers. This will simply be equal to, look at the sample space, the prime numbers we have 2, 3, and 5. 2, 3, and 5. N of the sample space, that means the cardinality of the sample space, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 possible outcomes. N of E, the cardinality of E is 3, and the cardinality of P prime is 3. Now we can proceed to answer the following questions. For question A, we have to find the probability of getting an even number. That means we have to find P of E. P of E is simply equal to, we take N of E, we divide by N of omega. And this will simply be equal to 3 divided by 6, which is simply equal to a half. Next, we have to find the probability of getting a prime number. That means P of P prime. B, P of P prime is simply equal to N of P prime divided by N of omega, which is simply equal to N of P prime is 3. We divide this by N of omega, which is 6. Simplifying this gives us a half. Question C, we have to find the probability of getting an even or a prime number. That means P of E, or that means the union, or P prime. This will simply be equal to, for us to get this probability, we are going to divide N of E union P prime by N of omega. E union P prime is simply equal to, let's write down the union of these two sets, E union P prime, it will give us a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will give us N of E union P prime to be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It simply means P of E union P prime will be equal to, we divide 5 by 6. 5 over 6 cannot be further simplified. Therefore, the probability of getting an even number or a prime number is simply 5 over 6. We are done with the solution of this question. If in case you have any doubts, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please, if you like the video, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.